Welcome. My name is Susan, and I'll be your teacher here at Booked Up English. What's your name? I'm happy to see you here. Say hello in the comments. We will speak using present simple tense. Try to repeat after me. Let's go. We often add S when we ask, do you like? Let's practice. Tomato. Do you like tomatoes? Yes, I like tomatoes. Do you like tomatoes? No, I don't like tomatoes. Onion. Do you like onions? Yes, I like onions. Do you like onions? No, I don't like onions. Cucumber. Do you like cucumbers? Yes, I like cucumbers. Do you like cucumbers? No, I don't like cucumbers. What do you like? Let me know in the comments or send me an audio message. I'd love to hear your English. Thanks for learning today. See you soon.